Don't know what to make for dinner? I got you. My name is Nija. I'm a registered dietitian. I'm always giving you guys healthy meal ideas. Today, we are making at-home hibachi, and I used everything I already had in my kitchen. So I took out some chicken breasts and added a marinade, just some light soy sauce, sesame oil, Japanese barbecue sauce, and then all my salt-free seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder, and we like spice, so cayenne pepper. I let that marinate and then put that in the air fryer. So let's get to fried rice. I want to do something different, and I had a white onion. I didn't have all the vegetables. I had some brown basmati rice in my rice cooker, and I just made a fried rice with some eggs and garlic and the onions. I didn't have any other vegetables, but I don't like peas or carrots anyway. For sauce, I did dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and then that Japanese barbecue sauce. When I say that turned out perfect. For veggies, I used this Costco blend that I love. I thought it was perfect for hibachi, and as you can see, everything's already there, and I just added the sauces that I've been using this whole time to that for flavor. Look how perfect that rice came out. Well, once the chicken was done, I added it with the veggies and sauce, and then I used a store-bought yum yum sauce. I hope this helps. Like, comment, share. You know I gotcha.